चालू है। हेलो हेलो, कांदा टमाटर प्याज, कांदा टमाटर प्याज। ये जो चीज है ना, ये मेरे जॉब के पीछे पड़ा है। So this is an appliance by Appliance and I'm pretty sure you've seen the previous videos. यहाँ पे है, check कर लो। So my conclusion from the first video of Appliance was it's the perfect cooking companion for people who always say I don't have time, but somehow they have time to share 20 reels every day.
क्यों नहीं हो रही पढ़ाई?
But let's get back to why we are here. So today Appliance is gonna cook something that I made. It's gonna try one of a very popular recipe I made, which is called the easy prawn curry recipe. This recipe has over 1 million views, thousands of likes, a lot of comments. Now I'm going to transfer this recipe from this brain to this brain. Prawns की recipe है, what I'm most worried about are these blades. You know, the recipe is a very delicate recipe, requires a very delicate touch. The team at Appliance was 100% confident कि हम कर देंगे. वैसे they were recently on Shark Tank India and उनके फाउंडर ने भी कुछ ऐसे ही कहा था कि ये अप्लायंस के अंदर हजारों शेफ्स की आत्मा है।
ऐसा समझिए अप्लायंस में बहुत सारे शेफ्स की आत्मा आ गई है। कश्मीर
12 साल के लिए मैंने प्रोफेशनल खाना बनाया, इंटरनेट के लिए 5 साल से, तो मेरी आत्मा भी दे दो तुझे। So for people who haven't watched the previous videos and don't know much about the appliance, I'll just quickly take you through the product. It has some pretty cool features which I had not seen in cooking appliances before. This over here is your main cooking unit. It's not only a blender and chopper, but it also heats up your food, cooks your food. Everything happens over here. As you can see, it's got these really strong stainless steel blades inside. Besides that, it's got this really cool touchscreen display over here. It's got many recipes that you can choose from. Menu बहुत ही vast है. Over 400 recipes for you guys to choose from. This is your weighing scale. कुछ 3 या 4 या 5 ग्राम का है. You can just place it over here. Weighing scale shows this is about 7 grams of mustard seeds. तो ये प्रोडक्ट की डिटेल्स हो गई. अब चलिए बनाते हैं my recipe with Appliance. So I gave the recipe to the Appliance team and they have tested out the recipe, fed it into it with the instructions that are required. So let's search for it now. The easy prawn curry. Look at it! It has a cute little photograph of mine as well. I was 15 kilos lighter. You can check out all the ingredients that are required. Prawns, we got the stuff for the masala, the other ingredients. पानी चाहिए, मिर्ची चाहिए, नारियल का दूध चाहिए, एकदम perfect recipe बनेगी. So I weighed and gathered all the ingredients now. Everything is ready for it to start cooking. It also tells me the recipe is for 2 people and it's just 550 calories, जो मुझे भी नहीं पता था. Technically मैंने कुछ healthy बना लिया. वाह, amazing. We're just gonna swipe up. This process is done. The prawns are cleaned. Onion and ginger garlic paste with the chili is done as well. So it also gives you a video instruction of what to do over here. So let's get to it. So let's open the lid. I've started to really like that sound. 2 large spoons of oil. 1 medium spoon of mustard seeds. And some curry leaves. Okay, let's give it 6. 2 more just for my happiness. Sorry team Appliance, I just want to add more. Dakkan dal do and start. See, it's doing its thing. The mustard is like starting to fry. So the instruction now is to add this paste inside this, which we're gonna do. Bon appetit! कर रहा है काम बहुत मेहनत से कर रहा है. I just need to figure out now what I will do. Okay, I really don't know what to do. I think I'll just clean the house, I guess. Nah, too much work. I'm going to do what I do best. Watch TV. Okay, it made a sound. The masala has cooked. I'm just going to see what it looks like inside. As you can see, masala पक चुका है. So the next step is of adding all of the spice powders. Video instruction is given over here. To unlock this, I have really begun to like that sound. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. We'll add the tomatoes now. Salt. Lock हो गया. I really need to figure out what I do next. So I think I'm just going to start editing a video that I have. मैं खाना बनाने में बहुत अच्छा हूँ. घर के कामों में मुझे परमिशन नहीं दी गई है by wife is right because I always mess it up. And with the magic of editing, you come back in a few seconds. So now here's the tricky part. Cooking the prawns. Will it mess it up? I am very keen to know. It just needs about 2 minutes. If it goes over 2 minutes, it's going to really overcook the prawns. अब सब आपकी जिम्मेदारी Appliance. OMG. No, it did not mess it up. It actually looks damn good. It smells incredible. पानी चले गया. Green chilies at एक extra डाला है because spicy थोड़ा, you know. And we hit start. Now we add in the coconut milk. It will give it that little thickness, that little body that is required. It's just going to cook it for like a minute. Not too much because Don't need to cook it that much. I'm just gonna hit start. Whoa, this is incredible. I don't care about the bowls and everything I'm gonna serve it in. I'm just gonna taste it as it is. Oh, spicy but so good. And the consistency is not too runny now. It has a little body to it. It's everything you need in a prawn curry. This is a ghar ka style ka prawn curry. It's nothing too fancy. How I like to eat this, just simple, plain old steamed rice. And you know, sometimes simple is just beautiful. It's so good. I'm surprised that it pulled it off and pulled it off beautifully. Everything is very well balanced. The recipe that they fed into this is just precise and perfect. अब आपको appliance के बारे में कुछ सवाल है? Comments में लिख दो. I will definitely reply back to them. If you want to know more about the product, I've shared a link in the description below. You can check it out. Go to the website, read about it, check out the price for it. Now I am more interested in this prawn curry. So that's my time for today. I'm going to eat this and I'll see you guys later.